I made a thing where I draw on my phone and it shows up on e-paper display over Wi-Fi. So you open a web page on your phone, draw something with your finger, hit send, and the ESP8266 pushes it to the display. For this you need an ESP8266 and a WeAct 4.2-inch e-paper display or any other e-ink e-paper display. For wiring, I covered that already in my previous e-paper video, link is in the description, or on my website, same connections, nothing happened. The ESP8266 hosts a small web server. There's a canvas element on the page and you draw on it. And when you submit, the browser sends the pixel data to the ESP or a post request. The ESP receives it, converts it, and calls a library to draw it on the display. That's basically the whole thing. One thing worth knowing, e-paper refresh takes a few seconds and the screen flashes. That's normal. Don't try to send another drawing while it's refreshing. It'll just ignore it or glitch. The phone and the ESP need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. You put your credentials in the sketch, upload it, then open the IP address. It prints to the serial monitor in your browser. Full code is on GitHub, link is in the description. You can use this for little reminders, messages, anything that doesn't need to update often. I thought it'd be fun for leaving notes around the house, like love notes, but I'm single, so mine just says love you and my cat ignores it. More details of the setup are on my site, link below. And if you build something with this, share it on our Discord. I'd actually love to see what people do with the e-paper. Bye!